In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Claude AI. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. Imagine you've had a productive day using Claude AI, and now it's time to ensure your account's privacy and security by logging out. Whether you're at the office, using a personal computer, or even on your mobile device, knowing how to log out is vital. First, you'll need to head over to the Claude AI website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're signed in, keep an eye out for your initials or avatar icon, which is typically found in the lower left corner of your screen. This icon acts as a gateway to various account settings and options. Clicking on your initials or avatar will open up a menu with several choices. This menu is crucial for managing your account settings. From the menu, you'll want to select Settings. This selection opens up another window where you can delve deeper into managing your preferences and personal details on Claude AI. Within the Settings window, navigate to the Accounts section. This is your go-to area for all things related to your account information and session management. Once you're in the Account section, you'll see the Log Out button. Clicking this button is the key step in ending your session on Claude AI. Don't rush this part. When you click Log Out, a prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to ensure that you genuinely want to log out and haven't clicked the button by accident. Confirm your choice to proceed. Once confirmed, this action will log you out from all active sessions across any browsers, apps, and devices where you've been signed in. Logging out from every session enhances your account security, especially if you've been using a shared computer or you're transitioning between multiple devices. It's a good digital hygiene practice that keeps your personal information and data secure. Let's consolidate what we've covered today. Visit the Claude AI website and sign in if needed. Locate and click on your initials or avatar icon at the lower left. Select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Account section, then click the Log Out button and confirm your choice. With these steps, you'll ensure that your account privacy is maintained every time you're done using Claude AI. Practicing these steps regularly fortifies your digital security and brings peace of mind. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Feel free to check out more of our content for additional tips and guides. Remember, staying secure online is as important as ever. So keep practicing good habits. Until next time.